Spanning across continents, nestled in different corners of the world, lie the Lusophone countries, nations bound by the common thread of the Portuguese language. Today, we embark on a journey across these countries, delving into their history and their relationship with this captivating language. Our first stop is Portugal, the birthplace of the Portuguese language. Portugal's reach extended across the globe during the age of exploration in the 15th and 16th centuries, leaving an indelible mark on the world with its language. The tongue that was once confined to the Iberian Peninsula soon found its way to the farthest corners of the earth. Crossing the Atlantic, our journey takes us to Brazil. Portugal colonized Brazil in the 16th century, and it remains the largest Portuguese-speaking nation today. Its variant of Portuguese, characterized by its unique pronunciation and vocabulary, greatly influences the Portuguese language worldwide. We next find ourselves in Africa, home to 6 Portuguese-speaking countries collectively known as the Palop nations: Angola, Mozambique, Guinea-Bissau, Cape Verde, São Tomé and Príncipe, and Equatorial Guinea. Portuguese arrived in these lands through colonization, and despite gaining independence in the mid to late 20th century, the language continues to thrive, each country adding its unique flavor to it. Our journey then takes us to Asia, to the special administrative region of China, Macau. Once a Portuguese colony, Macau became a melting pot of Chinese and Portuguese cultures. Even though it returned to Chinese rule in 1999, Portuguese continues to be one of the official languages, a testament to its enduring legacy. The Portuguese language also reverberates in the tiny island nation of East Timor in Southeast Asia and in the coastal expanse of Goa in India. While Portuguese is no longer widely spoken in these regions, its echoes still linger in the local dialects and place names. Finally, we find ourselves in Europe once again, in the tiny nation of Andorra and the archipelago of Madeira, where Portuguese is widely spoken, owing to their close proximity and historical ties with Portugal. In summary, the Portuguese language has spread its roots far and wide, making its presence felt on almost every continent. From its birthplace in Portugal, it traveled across oceans and continents, leaving a lasting legacy in countries as diverse as Brazil, Angola, Mozambique, Macau, and beyond. Each of these nations has embraced the language, adding their unique touch to it and enriching it further. Through colonization, exploration, and migration, Portuguese has evolved into a world language, with different variants reflecting the history and culture of the nations it touched. As we have seen, the Portuguese language is not just a means of communication, but a binding force that connects diverse cultures, histories, and peoples across the globe. And so we come to the end of our journey, having traversed the Lusophone world and having gained a deeper understanding of the Portuguese language and its global influence. With each stop, we've seen how the language has adapted, evolved, and thrived, a testament to its resilience and versatility. It's a language that truly belongs to the world,